This short tutorial explains how to buy shares of KB Home, a U.S. home building company. KB Home trades on NASDAQ under the ticker KBH, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker KBH to locate the KB Home listing. Make sure the search result shows KB Home on NASDAQ, so you select the correct share. Open the KBH stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and exchange to ensure this is the correct asset. To invest, click the Investor Trade button. Enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, eToro will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After execution, your KBH position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow this step-by-step example.